Hi everyone, today I will show you how to hard reset your Huawei Y6 2019 in case of your phone has some issues or you forgot your passcode. Before doing that, you need to know that if your phone is linked to a Google account, your phone will be locked with the Google Factory Reset protection. If you are in that case, please go check my channel where I share some tips and tricks allowing you to unlock your phone. Okay, let's go for the hard reset. So first thing we need to do is to simply power off the phone. After that, we need to wait some seconds. Then we need to push and keep the power button and the volume up button in the same time. Let's go. And we release everything when we see the Huawei logo. And we will wait for the menu. Here we have the menu. So we select wipe data. The phone is asking us to enter the word yes. So we do that. Wipe data again. And here the phone is warning us that there is a Google account linked to the phone. So you need to know which Google account is linked to the phone. Otherwise, your phone will be locked with the factory reset protection. We select wipe data and we wait. Okay, so now we reboot the system. And here it will take more time than usual. Okay, perfect, it's done. So thank you guys for watching. If the video was useful to you, please let us know in the comment section. You can also support us simply by a like and a subscribe. Also, if you don't succeed to hard reset your phone, you can share your issue in the comment section and we can help you. Thank you and see you in the next one.